Hi everyone, it's Robin. In order to try and be in compliance with COPA, I'm now asking all children who are hearing this announcement to please turn this channel off. There is nothing of interest here for you, and this channel is intended for adult crafters only. I also have no control over the ad content that's on my channel. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to the nest. I'm here with my No Paper Left Behind finale. I was going to try to do this yesterday and wound up being in bed the larger part of the day, and so this is it. And well, I'm just going to go through all of it real quick, and I'm going to toss it back in this drawer here. As I do, you've already seen some of it, but I wanted to just go over again everything that I made so you can remember. I didn't finish what I was going to do with these, so I still need to do that. Remember, I made these two layouts here, scrapbooking layouts. That was a lot of fun. I hadn't done a scrapbooking layout in years. Sorry, this is my second time doing this. And then I made all of these cards. You've already seen these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. You all have already seen those. 17. And then I made this loaded envelope, remember? And then these are some cards that you haven't seen that I made. So there's 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23, and 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Oh, this guy. I think I had another one that I didn't have the right way in here, sorry. So I made two that were portrait. What is that, 28, 29? 29 of those. And then these are the tags right here that you haven't seen that I made. This right here is the where I used my strips, and that method I learned from Sarah, who's also in this challenge. And there's another one. And I just put to and from on the back of them. And then that one. So there's those little guys. And then here are these tags that I had shown you before. And then the 3x3 cards, they're all here. And then the little book that I showed you, I was going to just drop in my purse. And then this was something that I had started making. I saw Mrs. Cooper's Coop, Muriel, do this little tutorial, and she utilized the Spellbinders matchbook die, and it was so cute, and I thought, oh, that would use up some of my scraps. So I made one. She was putting a little candies inside here, and it opened up here at the top. Well, when I made mine, I wanted it wider, this part wider, because I thought maybe I could put some ephemera down in there rather than chocolate. But I messed up and did my little opening on the sides, which I think that I can still put something in there because it fits pretty snug, you know, without it all falling out. But I made one of those. So if you're wondering if I finished or not, I did not. I'm going to pull this out. You know, it's a 48 sheet pack. Well, I still have all of this paper right here left. And here are my scraps. I didn't finish. It was just more than I could do this month. So I have that pad that I still need to finish because I refuse to put any skeleton pads back on my shelf. And that was why, that's the whole reasoning behind Daniela coming up with this challenge. She had said she had so many of these pads, like a lot of us, sitting on her shelf that are just, they're not full pads, and she got tired of it, so she started this challenge. So I will not be starting a new paper pad next month. Matter of fact, I'm going to work on this until it's gone. And I also have 2 more skeleton pads that are sitting on my desk along with projects. I'll come back to this in just a second. One of them is this one right here. It's one that I wasn't using in a No Paper Left Behind, but once you start this challenge, you can't stop. For me, anyway, I can't stop. You know, I can't put this much of the pad back, and you know, my Raspog's still set up with Christmas stuff. Well, I still have more Christmas cards that I need to make, and some of this is solid cardstocks that I was using, but that's another skeleton pad. So not only do I have all the projects that I've made with this in my craft room sitting around, and my craft room isn't that big, I have a bunch of stuff that relates to this sitting around. None of that's finished. And then I only put this in here in this binder because it helped me keep it flat. And I think I've used one or maybe 2 sheets out of this paper pad, so I don't consider it a skeleton. But these are the remnants from the Sugar and Sparkle that I was using over the holidays as well, and you've seen some projects with that. And so I have all of these scraps as well, along with half-done projects. Like there's another pocket letter that I had even forgotten that I had started. Well, all this stuff is driving me mad. It's stressing me out. I feel overwhelmed, and my body is kapoof right now. The winter months really stink for me, and I struggle with trying to keep up with household stuff as well as crafting. So for February, and who knows, maybe March, because I have other things that I need to do too, my personal challenge is to catch up with things outside of my craft room, you know, household chores and stuff like that. And then work on some of these unfinished things, because this is unfinished projects. So I'm going to work on getting those finished up, and cleaning my craft room up, getting some stuff out that's just, you know, sending it out that's just sitting here waiting on me. I mean, I even have, let me show you. If I were to show you all my craft room right now, y'all would cringe and die. But I even have stuff like this still sitting out. This is where I started making those little shaker cards. Remember me showing those? And this was one of those Heidi Swap kits from Tuesday morning. Well, it's just sitting here. I haven't finished it. But that's just another one of those UFOs and unfinished projects. I haven't finished this mini album. I don't have much left to go on it, but it's still sitting here. And then my floor sitting full of stuff. It's driving me crazy. So, I don't know if that's really considered no paper left behind. It is for these, of course. But all of these UFOs and unfinished things, they're driving me bonkers. And me trying to stay up and do ironing and my laundry till 3 a.m. to where I can be in my craft room. You know, I was thinking about it as I was ironing, and I thought, this is crazy. This is nuts. I can't do this in the winter. Can't do it. I can't go like that. So, I'm going to get these done when I get them done, and I'll share them with you when I can. But I need to simplify. Remember, that's what I said at the beginning of 2020, simplify. And then outside of crafting, one of the things that I had promised myself was to take better care of myself. So that's what I'm going to do. And I hope that I haven't let you all down, but I can't keep up. So not right now anyway. Not in the winter months. So I apologize. I am still Nancy Rolfe. I am still going to try to do some more videos answering your questions for new beginners, but I can't make any promises as when it's going to be. And if you want a tutorial on a mini album, Daniela Hayes did a whole series on one just here recently. If you'll go to her channel, I haven't watched it all because I haven't had time, but I can guarantee you it's an excellent tutorial, and I feel positive that she's given it to you in details. And so I was trying to think if there was anything else I needed to tell you guys. I think that's it for this one. But I just need to step back for a little bit. I knew that I was going to have to this year, that I wasn't going to do it every single sorry guys, I can't think. The personal challenge every month this year. But I just need a break. I need a break, and I need to take care of me for right now. So, I love you all. Thank you for following me. You will see me, but I'm trying to get 2 and 3 videos up a week and respond. I can't keep up, and it's not fair to you guys, and it isn't fair to me and my body, and me trying to take care of other things outside of crafting too. So anyway, thanks guys. Thanks for following along. Please be sure to go to the other ladies' channels. I'll have them linked in the description box below. And I will see you soon. Bye.